here's how to fret a guitar properly when it comes to activating the note with your left hand. I always taught people for like decades, and I even taught myself, or I focused on it myself, to place my finger just behind the fret wire. So if this is the frets on the guitar, and you got the body here, you got the head here, you would put your finger right here behind, right? This is the other fret, right? So like this. And you got the head here, you got the body here. So I would put my finger right there. But really, the amazing thing is that it's more effective to put your finger in the middle of the fret, between the two frets. Weirdly enough, because it's like the string is softer there. If you can imagine that the string is, covering these two frets here, from the neck and up. And then I put my finger there. That's going to be a harder push than to just fret it right in the middle. Maybe it's me who's an idiot who didn't listen, right? But I was under the assumption that always just behind the fret. I still do that automatically because I've been doing it for so long. But I stopped telling people that that's what you need to do. And it's obvious when you do legato, for instance. Let me just see if I get... Yeah, that's a nice sound. So if I do just behind the fret wire. Now I'm going to exaggerate it just slightly. It's still just behind the fret wire. It's not above or on the frets. It's just like, that was just behind the fret wire, right? If I move my hand like this, now I'm playing in the middle, between the two frets. I go, if anything, it's more effective. So what can I say? That's my best piece of advice, my updated advice. Don't think about fretting like I do I do this all the time. Just go slightly back and the string will be softer, more susceptible to hammer-ons and pull-offs. It's easier to do with these things. So yeah, sorry, but it's true. Sad but true. Looking forward to seeing you in another video.